Prepare yourself, ladies and gentlemen, for the first and ever Jolly Town Musical Play Live at SM Pampanga Event Center.
Welcome to Rainbow Village, isang maliit at masayang bayan sa may gitna ng hilaga at kanto ng kanluran. Masaya naman ang mga naninirahan dito, except for one boy, si Jasper.
Ako si Jasper. Mahihain at medyo... clumsy. Tuloy ito. Wala akong kaibigan. Sino nga ba naman gusto magkaroon ng friend na tulad ko? Aray! Sigurado ko, kahit kayo, ayaw ako maging kaibigan. Sige, uwi na muna ako.
Sa tabi naman ng Rainbow Village, ay ang lugar na masasabi mong pinakamasayang lugar na pwede mong mapunahan. Ito ay ang Jolly Town.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Jolly Town! Jolly Town, pamanayan, sarap ng magkakaibigan. Jolly Town, lahat nagsasabi, it's the happiest place to be. Jolly, Jolly Town, Jolly, Jolly Town. Good friends and all around. Jolly, Jolly Town, come on down. Jolly, Jolly Town. Good friends are all around. Dito mga pangarap mo ay nagkakatotoo. It's a wonderful magical town. Everybody, let's go, go, go! Let's go to Jolly Town. Jolly, Jolly Town. Jolly, Jolly Town. Good friends are all around. Jolly, Jolly Town. Come on down. Jolly, Jolly Town. Good friends are all around. Good friends are all around. Oh no! Are you okay?
Ha? Saan ako napunta? Hindi ka taga dito, no? You don't look familiar.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ako si Jasper. Ganda naman dito. Nasaan nga ba ako?
Maestro, one more time! Jolly, Jolly Town. Jolly, Jolly Town.
Good friends are all around.
Teka. Di na siguro natin kailangan pang ulitin ang opening number. Jasper, nandito ka sa Jolly Town. Why don't we just show Jasper around?
Gagawin niyo para sa akin yun?
But of course, Jasper! Everyone is a friend here in Jolly Town.
Pati ako? Friend nila? Oh, umpisahan na natin ang tour!
This is Jolly Town, Jasper. My name is Johnny.
He's everyone's friend! I'm Coco. I love sports. My name is Hetty, and I love to cheer. Go Jasper! Go Jasper! I'm Twirly. I can teach you how to dance.
And I'm Young, your gadgets guy. And these are our friends too. Lisa, Jason, and Sandy.
Hi!
Oh, let the tour begin. That's Ding Dang Dong, the clock that can tell the future. Ding Dang Dong, meet Jasper.
some friends soon.
Huh? And this is P-Boy Puno. P-Boy, meet Jasper.
Kumusta, kaibigan?
Hello. Ako? Kaibigan?
That over there is our cool invisible rainbow. Wanna try it?
And this is the fountain of many flavors. Ganda ng Jollitown, di ba? Tagasan ka nga ba, Jasper? Sa Rainbow Village. Oh, bakit ka nasaan? Kasi wala mo mga friends doon eh.
That's impossible. Everyone has friends.
Not me. Mahihain kasi ako at saka... Kuya Jose. Okay, Jasper? Oo. Thank you. Pero yung Clemson siya ako. Kaya walang gusto makipagkaibigan sa akin.
Iibahin natin yan, Jasper. Dito sa Jollytown, magkakaroon ka ng mga kaibigan.
Promise!
Magkakatotoo nga kaya ang promise na Jollibee kay Jasper? Magkakaroon na nga kaya siya ng mga kaibigan?